Husqvarna 0-turn RZ5426. Will not start. Cranks just fine. Checked power, red wire and white wire, at the right-hand coil. No power. Possible safety switch problem, but all seem to be working.
Safety switch will not stop the spark, it would only stop it from cranking. Does the engine have any kind of oil pressure switch that would kill spark? You did remove spark plug wire and checked, and there was no spark? What engine do you have in GT?
The engine is a Kohler SV735-3031 and does not seem to have the DSAI called out in Kohler's PB259. I removed the top cowling and did not find an ignition module. I don't see a oil level sensor installed, but I do not have access to a wiring schematic for the engine or mower. I removed the spark plug wire from each cylinder and used a inline spark/ignition tested with the sight window to view the spark. Last week when I checked it, there was a good strong spark. Now, no spark at all.
The only oil sender it would have, and parts list does not show it has one, would be on the oil filter mounting base. You have the cover off. What coils do you have? 3 small wires, 2 wires, or a single wire? That is how to identify the ignition system.
I will have to get back with you on the coils. I am currently at my day job. What I do remember is that a red wire and a white wire come into the right side coil. Then there is a green wire coming out of the coil cannon plug going to ground. The red and white wires then bridge over to the left side coil and there is another green wire to ground. I will confirm this later today when I get home.
http://www.kohlerengines.com/online a catalog/pdf/sm_32_690_01.pdf. White wire shows to be kill wire, per the manual attached, page 36. Remove the white wire and test for spark. Let me know. Thanks.
Hi Curtis, I removed the white wires from the right side coil. Still no spark, no power available on the red wire, starting to think it's the ignition switch.
You did in number 39, check both coils with white wires removed?
I did not remove the wire from the left side since the left side. I will depin the cannon plug on the left side tomorrow, but the results should not change since the left side is wired in series from the right. There is no power on the red wire. Without looking at the wiring schematic, seems the red wire should provide power to the coils and the carburetor when the ignition is in the run position. I am thinking the ignition switch may be the problem.
Coil should need no power. The magnet and the coil should be all it needs to make spark.
Thanks Curtis, this is why I need someone like you helping me out. I will recheck the opposite coil tomorrow.
Okay, I assume this is the 3-wire coils. The replacement will not be the same.
Curtis, I have ordered the replacement upgrade for the RZ5426. PN-70703S shows to be the replacement coil setup. I will contact you when the mower is fixed. Thanks for the help. Mark.
Thank you.
I have another question about another engine. Briggs & Stratton engine part number 42E707 utilizes a carburetor part number 692,812 that is no longer available. I am looking at a part number 693480 as a possible replacement. Is the carb 693,480 interchangeable with the 692,812?
It would work, but here is a new listing on eBay for the original. http://www.ebay.com/imp/Briggs & Stratton carburetor 693480 opposed twin cylinder carb 49518169281272204559549 ? Item 3F60A7F4BDGW10ALS W8RJXB07L.
Hi Curtis, thanks for the quick response. I saw the listing on eBay, but it's for a used carb. I really need a new carb, so I will have to go with the 693,480. It's a bit more expensive, but at least it's new. I sincerely advise in these two issues. Usually I am pretty good at getting through them myself, but the information about coils not requiring any power. Quite honestly, I thought they required some power. So, once again, thank you for your help. Mark.
Sorry, I thought it was a new one. I should have read it closer. The 693,480 has the fuel pump and the correct mounting. I see no reason it will not work.
Thanks again.
Thank you again.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.